Well, getting a few things ready for a little family fishing trip. We're going to go down to Partridge Island there, and we'll be after sea run, brook trout and smelt, and just using plain fishing hooks. And I'll cut up a little bit of salt pork or salt beef for bait to get us started. And you know, I do this a lot. I got the stove here, and I already got the wood in, and some birch bark there to get us started. And I'll just flick the lid around that. In no time, the smoke coming through the chimney, and the stove be heated up, and there'll be a nice fresh coffee right on the ice. Don't want to forget the stove pipe, and I don't want to forget the scoop. Well, actually, I think they call this one the chip and dip skimmer, and I really like this one because he's really big, and he's marked. You can measure your fish with him, and the great thing is you got like a little chisel at the end, and as ice is freezing around your hole and closing in your hole, you could just chisel it around and scoop it up. I'll be using this toboggan for the first time today, and I guess I'll talk about her a little more later on. The bolt came out. Well guys, I'll talk a bit loud. The wind is blowing and is drifting a bit. We decided not to take the kids, it's blowing a bit too hard and cold. Ice, however, through all the while I was coming down here. Yeah, it's not very nice. Try catching up for a meal, and I say we're out of here. We'll get a lot better days than this for fishing yet. 4 holes, a couple holes are each. Woohoo! We got one! We when you gets one, it's me when I gets one. Oh, lost him. Them beautiful mitts I gave the boys. Oh gosh, go ahead. Contest. We got one each so far. Well guys, I just got another one there, got clean. Finally got a spiny one. Let that go down and it'll drag the fish around a bit. It is a contest. down. And a couple more. I thought you were stealing my spot. I'm gonna clean them now as we're getting them. Camera's staying over. She'll just kind of trope and let him go. Only one smelt. Man, I tell you, the drifting, these holes are filling in really fast. Pile up a couple more, nice bigger smelts now. Yep, we got 4 more here to clean, so just clean them as we're getting them. And these will be going in the frying pan now when we get back. You know, catch and cook. More bloody stuff. Yeah, you know, we'll get a lot better days than this for ice fishing, that's for sure, but get out and get a meal's good. Oh, that's fine. Get over here. Oh, that spine goes down and gets him in like a little feeding frenzy. Oh my, I shouldn't be telling all those tips like that. Small trout. We'll get better days, guys. Yeah, you know, it wasn't real nice with that noise, but we managed to get a meal out of it. Not a lot of smelt there, but I guess we eat a lot of bread with it. Well then, just look at these smelt right out of the water and into the frying pan. And we don't have a lot of smelt, so we had partridge soup for dinner. I'm going to warm up the rest of that now for supper. And just look. Got it wired off here. Put out his pan for dinner tomorrow. So, yeah, all good food from the man, you know. Can't beat it.